Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this POCO. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down to access display section. After that, scroll down again. Click on brightness level and click on this switcher next to automatic brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can always go into tap menu instead and tap on this shortcut under brightness slider to turn on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!